Insurance experts call it a glimmer of hope in an otherwise troubled insurance market in Florida. 3 Florida property insurance companies have either announced a reduction in their rates or the desire to pass some relief on to homeowners. News4JAX anchor Tarek Miners here with how much some homeowners could save. Tarek?
Well, I want to start off here. It's important that we point out that these reductions in property insurance premiums, they don't equate to a whole lot of actual money, but it's definitely a step in the right direction. Some News4JAX viewers telling us that the current price is almost too much to bear.
It's huge. $4,000 is a lot of money, and it's not like I have a huge house.
Bridget Shern is talking about how much she pays right now for property insurance and a house she's owned for the past 26 years.
It went up $1,000 from last year, and from that year, it went up like $2,000.
We also spoke with Cooper Nightingale, who says his premium skyrocketed in price steadily from 2019 to the present day.
I mean, when I first moved to my house, I was paying $1,600, I think, a year, and now it's, gosh, $5,000.
Cooper says his premium consistently jumped 15 to 20% each year, but now there's some potentially good news on the horizon for Florida homeowners. The following 3 companies have either reduced their rates or are seeking a rate reduction from the Office of Insurance Regulation. Florida Peninsula Insurance just announced a 2% average reduction in property insurance for the more than 122,000 residential policies it insures. News4JAX has learned that the Slide Insurance Company is seeking a 0.5% decrease in the average rate it charges to insure single-family homes. And the Florida Family Insurance Company is also seeking a 0.5% decrease in premiums for owners of houses, condominium units, and rentals. There's also encouraging news from the state-backed insurance company Citizens, which posted a net income of $746 million last year compared to a $2.2 billion loss in 2022. Citizens has also successfully used depopulation to decrease its policy count. That's where customers are shifted to private insurance. They've gone from 1.4 million customers in September 2023 to 1.17 million by the end of February. The homeowners we spoke with today just learned about what could be positive news, but remain skeptical because they haven't seen any relief on their own premium quite yet.
I don't think so. That'd be great. That'd be wonderful.
But you don't believe it until you see it?
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. Fraudulent lawsuits were also a huge reason for the property insurance crisis in our state, but the reforms in the legislation last year seem to be working. According to the S&P's global report, the spending on legal defense costs by Florida insurance fell by approximately 4%. Florida, however, still leads the nation in the number of litigated property insurance claims, but there does appear to be headway in this direction as well.